Thanks.
Well, people across Indianapolis are on edge this morning after what police are calling a gun battle last night.
At least 2 people were hit, and one of them was an innocent bystander just driving through. It all happened near 32nd and Emerson on the east side. Sunrise reporter Anna Carrera joins us from Methodist with the very latest on what we know this morning. Anna?
Yeah, good morning, Ben and Julia. Police tell us that a man here right now was just driving by with his wife when he happened to get hit by that gunfire. They tell us now he is fighting for his life after this. Now, we are also told another woman who police tell us was the target in this shooting is in serious condition. Officials tell us the gun battle in this happened in a street or a yard and it turned into a very large crime scene scattered around this whole block. Now, all of this is getting a lot of attention. Reverend Charles Harrison from Indy's 10-Point Coalition says, "I am listening to the scanner and a lot of shots have been fired in Indy tonight." He tweeted this out last night. He says people should not have to live in a war zone. And he's not the only one frustrated by the violence.
I don't care if you live northwest or southeast or what part of the city, this should aggravate and this should anger every citizen of Indianapolis, because this could happen in any neighborhood. When people start shooting rounds into the city, you don't know where every single one of those rounds are going to go. So everyone should be upset about this.
You can hear the frustration there from Metro Police. Officers still looking for clues about this investigation. Still no word on any suspects, any vehicle descriptions or anything like that. They're really hoping that any of the victims or witnesses will speak up so they can put these pieces together and stop this.